Welcome to the exam sale video on VMware Cloud Professional Exam Syllabus. In this video, we will cover the 7 domains that make up the exam. The exam is divided into 7 domains, each carrying a different weightage. The domains are VMware Cloud Solutions at 20%, Installing, Configuring, and Setup at 20%, Architecture and Technologies at 15%, Troubleshooting and Repairing at 15%, Planning and Designing at 10%, Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades at 10%, and Administrative and Operational Tasks at 10%. Let's start with the first domain, VMware Cloud Solutions. This domain focuses on hyperscaler partnerships and cloud-specific SDDC offerings. You will learn about VMware Cloud on AWS, including differentiating between managed and unmanaged service components, understanding AWS global infrastructure availability for SDDC, analyzing connectivity options, evaluating elastic scale-out and scale-in capabilities, identifying instance types and storage configurations, and describing the shared responsibility model. In this domain, you will also learn about partner cloud solutions, including comparing Azure VMware Solution, OVS architecture, understanding Google Cloud VMware Engine, GCVE integration, evaluating Oracle Cloud VMware Solution, OCVS, characteristics, identifying IBM Cloud VMware Solutions capabilities, and determining the appropriate cloud provider based on business requirements. Moving on to the next domain, Installing, Configuring, and Setup. This domain focuses on initial SDDC deployment and networking infrastructure. You will learn about deploying a software-defined data center, SDDC, configuring management gateway, MGW, firewall rules, configuring compute gateway, CGW, firewall rules, establishing connectivity between on-premises and SDDC, setting up DNS and IP management in the cloud, and configuring hybrid linked mode for unified management. In this domain, you will also learn about workload migration setup, including deploying VMware HCX Manager in the cloud and on-premises, configuring HCX site pairing, creating HCX service mesh and interconnect, configuring network extension, L2C, for seamless migration, and setting up HCX profiles and compute network requirements. The next domain is Architecture and Technologies, which focuses on the underlying SDDC software stack and hybrid cloud constructs. You will learn about VMware Cloud SDDC components, including analyzing vSphere role in cloud environments, understanding VSAN architecture and storage policies, describing NSX networking and security integration, explaining vCenter server management in cloud instances, defining the Cloud Services Console, CSC capabilities, and identifying the role of the SCSI hypervisor in managed SDDCs. The fourth domain is Troubleshooting and Repairing, which focuses on resolving connectivity, migration, and resource issues. You will learn about cloud connectivity and migration troubleshooting, including diagnosing VPN and direct connectivity failures, troubleshooting HCX migration workflow errors, resolving NSX firewall rule misconfigurations, identifying causes for hybrid linked mode sync issues, analyzing audit logs and system events for root cause, and resolving storage capacity alerts and VSAN health issues. The next domain is Planning and Designing, which focuses on strategic sizing and migration methodology. You will learn about capacity planning and design, including utilizing the VMware Cloud Sizer tool for host requirements, designing network segments for hybrid connectivity, planning for high availability, HA and disaster recovery, DR, evaluating migration methods, determining IP addressing schemes for cloud extension, and assessing workload requirements for storage policy design. The sixth domain is Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades, which focuses on resource efficiency and life cycle maintenance. You will learn about resource optimization and life cycle management, including optimizing SDDC resource utilization with Elastic DRS, EDRS, managing storage utilization with VSAN policies, understanding the SDDC upgrade process and notifications, analyzing performance metrics in the Cloud Services Console, evaluating right-sizing opportunities for cloud workloads, and maintaining compatibility between on-premises and cloud versions.